In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your Funding Pips account to MetaTrader 5. Start by opening up MT5. Once you're inside the platform, go to the top left corner and click File. From the menu that appears, select Open an Account. A new window will pop up where you need to search for your broker. In the search box, type Funding Pips and click on Find Your Company. You should see a couple of server options show up. Typically, the first Funding Pips server is the right one. Click it once, then press Next. Now choose Connect to an existing trading account. At this point, MT5 will ask for your login and password. Keep in mind, this is not your normal Funding Pips website login. To get your MT5 credentials, head over to your Funding Pips dashboard. In your account details, you'll find your MT5 login and password. If you don't see them there, check the welcome email you received when you first created the account. The credentials should be in that email as well. You'll also see the correct server name listed in the dashboard or email, so make sure that matches what MT5 is showing. Enter your login and password in MT5, click Finish, and you'll be connected to your trading account. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials.